Hi, Getty from GettyStewart.com here with a couple of different mint plants, and I want to talk about how to cut back mint and harvest your mint. And we have two different types of growth patterns on this mint. These guys came back as regrowth from last year, and they are all about shooting up straight and tall. Well, we want to get more mint out of our mint plant, so we're going to go ahead and cut those back. And just like I've done on other types of herbs, I'm going to follow each stem down to where there's two leaves joining and new growth has the potential to come out. I'm not going to go right down to the last growth here or even down here, because I want to leave a few leaves for it to grow nice and strong, and by cutting it here I know I'll get more growth there, and I will get more mint. So I am just going to cut right above the access point of two leaves where new growth is already promising to come out. And they're in there. This one's very tiny, so I'm going to leave it at that. To dry this, I'm going to bundle this up with a nice little string and make sure that it's labeled chocolate mint, and I'm just going to pull that right through so it's nice and tight, and there I go. The first chocolate mint of the season ready to be dried. Now over here in this plant, actually, look at this guy. He's trying to escape. Let's do these two as well. There we go. Over here I have a spearmint plant, and it has a fuller, thicker growth pattern already. So I'm not going to go down as far, but I am going to trim back so that I continue that nice bushy growth. And again, I'm just going to follow each stem and go down to where those leaves intersect and there's signs of new growth. So I'm going to go on down here, go here. So these are much shorter little stems, but I can just cut back the little tips to encourage bushy growth. So I'll go ahead and do that for the entire plant. But what I'm going to do, because it's really tricky to tie these up, I'm going to take these small little leaves and I'm going to put them in a paper bag that's labeled, and I'll be able to close this up and store this in a dry, warm, dark place for 2 weeks or so, and I should have nice dried mint leaves by then. So this is spearmint, which I'll use in various recipes, and this chocolate mint I'll use in tea later on. So there you have it, how to cut, harvest, and dry mint.